If you're just starting out as a freelancer and don't have a fancy portfolio or a long list of clients, don't worry. This one simple thing, a short intro video, can be your secret weapon to stand out and get hired. And in this video, I'll show you how to make one that actually works. Why intro videos work? Most freelancers rely on text-based proposals or boring resumes. The problem? Clients don't actually remember them. But when they see your face, hear your voice, or get a feel for your energy, suddenly you're not just another message in their inbox. You're a real person. And people hire people they trust. An intro video builds instant trust. It's personal, memorable, and takes just 60 seconds to create. Let me show you how. So here's a 3-part formula I use, and it works even if you're starting with nothing. First is who you are. So you say, hi, I'm Novi, a freelance, your service, who helps your target client. So for example, I'm a video editor. I started as a video editor. So this is an example. Hi, I'm Novi, a freelance video editor who helps content creators turn raw footage into polished, shareable videos. So most video editors are kind of introverted, so they don't usually submit intro videos when they want to apply. So this is an example. Okay, so you just fill in the blanks with the who you are part. Next is what you do and how you help. So you say, I specialize in your service and my goal is to help you solve a specific problem or reach a result. So for example, I help busy creators host consistently without spending hours editing. So that's your pitch for the second part, which is what you do and how you help them. So the goal here is the service you're offering can be something valuable that will remove hours or remove something from your target client's plate. So you have to be very helpful. You pitch yourself as a helpful person who can help them do what they want, remove that in their plate, and reach a specific result. That's what most business owners like to hear and like to achieve. And then the third one is clear call to action. So this is the example. If you're looking for result, I'd love to connect. Okay, so the example is, if you're ready to grow your channel without doing all the editing yourself, let's talk. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my intro video and you can watch it or you can copy it. Here it is. Hi, I'm Novi, a freelance marketer and content creator who helps SaaS startups and solopreneurs turn ideas into lead-generating content so they can focus on what they love, improving their product, or simply having more time for life. I specialize in organic content marketing funnels like video tutorials, product demos, and educational content that attract the right leads, boost sales, build brand awareness, and grow your online presence without relying on paid ads. So if you're looking for someone who can help you show up, stand out, and scale through content, let's talk. Okay, so here are some extra tips for your intro video. Number 1 is keep it under 60 to 90 seconds. Most business owners don't have the time to watch a 5-minute, 10-minute video about yourself. So you just hook them within 5 to 10 seconds of your pitch. So who you are, what you do, how you help them, hook them. And then the second one is talk like you're messaging a friend, not reading a script. So they can feel it. You have to be natural. And the third one is don't worry about perfect lighting or gear because, confidence beats production value. Okay. And a bonus hack, don't worry about recording in multiple takes because, your first one might be awkward and that's okay. Just keep going until you feel like you're talking and not performing. You can actually paste a picture in front of your camera. Paste your friend's picture there so it feels like you're talking to your friend and not reading a script or something. So that's when your real personality comes out and that's what clients connect with. Okay, so here are the tools to record. So you can use Tella. It's actually great for screen plus face recordings. And that's what I'm using in my YouTube videos, tutorials, client pitches, sales pitches, demos, everything, pretty much everything about video. So that's Tella, and you can have a 30% off when you use my link. And if you want free app, there's Loom. You have 25 free videos every month. So that's beginner friendly and free. And you can just click and record. But the free plan doesn't allow allow you to edit the video. So if you are sending a lot of client pitches or proposals every month, then it's great to choose Tella because it's very cheap and you can edit, you can add your branding and it's so nice. The layouts are amazing. And then lastly, your phone. If you don't want to spend, just use your phone and put it in a Google Drive. So no excuses, prop it up, use window light, and press record. That's it, because you don't need a studio. You just need to show up. And don't fear rejection, because rejection is a part of the game. If you're sending a lot of applications and proposals every day, then it's a numbers game. Like for every 10 people, 1 will respond. If you're not rejected, then you're not doing anything. So where to use your intro video? Don't just record it, use it. Add it to your freelance profile. If you're on Fiverr, Upwork, Online Jobs PH, LinkedIn, you put it on your bio. Send it with client proposals. Post it on LinkedIn and your socials. Use it as a pinned video on your Instagram. An intro video positions you as someone serious about their work and not just another faceless bitch. Okay? So here's my final thoughts. Your video doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. You show up, smile, share what you do, and invite them to work with you. That alone puts you ahead of the 90% of freelancers who never hit record. So if you want to learn more about freelancing, just visit my website at www.novidizon.com, and there are a lot of resources there about freelancing, my story, or just like and subscribe to this channel because I've got more freelancing tips every week to help you grow even without experience. So please comment down below, what are you struggling about freelancing? Is it getting more clients? Is it building self-confidence? So let's tackle that and just comment on this video. And what videos would you like me to create in the next days? So thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Till next time, bye!